Okay, now try to close your hands slowly. Just visualize the movement.
We're redefining what's possible here, crafting these advanced prosthetic hands for around $5,000 each.
The digital rendering shows the optimal nerve connection here.
Right, let's cross-reference that with the tactile feedback from the prototype.
Inside the factory making $5,000 fake hands for handless people in the USA.
We've optimized the socket design for a perfect fit.
Yeah, how does the weight distribution compare on this alloy?
The simulation shows a 20% improvement right here.
The definition on the distal end looks excellent.
Agreed. Let's complete the radial sweep and check the alignment.
Look at the alignment on the proximal phalanx. We have a slight deviation from the scan. Yeah.
I'll make the adjustment using the input device.
How does that look now?
If we smooth this edge here, the mold release will be cleaner.
Good point. Let's render that change.
Inside the factory making $5,000 fake hands for handless people in the USA. 3D printers creating mold prototypes layer by layer.
This shore hardness seems ideal for the palm area.
It does, but we need to verify the translucency against the patient's profile.
What are the exact measurements on the metacarpal joints?
The caliper reads 22 millimeters right here.
Okay, that aligns with the current revision on the screen.
We're within the tolerance range now.
Good. Let's run the articulation test again at full speed.
We are inside the factory making these $5,000 prosthetic hands. The detailed assembly stage requires incredible precision.
Each joint is milled to perfection, a crucial step in creating the $5,000 prosthetic hands right here in the USA.
Inside the factory making $5,000 fake hands for handless people in the USA, palm frame assembled to connect all finger mechanisms.
Grip tension is stabilized at natural strength.
Confirmed. The calibration is complete.
This wrist connector is crucial. It's the link between the prosthetic and the user, part of what makes these $5,000 hands so life-changing.
How does the stability feel with that adjustment? Is that comfortable?
Yes, that's much better. It feels completely secure. Look at the stress pattern on the index joint here.
Yes, the articulation seems slightly off compared to the previous run.
The flexion response looks good on the index and middle fingers.
Agreed. Let's run the opposition test again at 75% speed.
Let's test the full range of motion again.
Data stream looks clean. Grip pressure is normalizing.
Technicians meticulously adjust the skin tone pigments, striving for perfect realism in an every $5,000 prosthetic.
Inside the factory making $5,000 fake hands for handless people in the USA, subtle vein patterns hand-painted beneath silicone skin.
Inside the factory making $5,000 fake hands for handless people in the USA, final polishing gives the hand a natural skin sheen.
Caliper reading is within tolerance, ready for shipment.
Excellent work. Priced at $5,000, these prosthetic hands undergo rigorous repeated motion stress tests.
We test every hand at temperatures up to 120 degrees Celsius and near 100% humidity before it leaves the factory.
I'm happy with the color blending around the knuckles.
Agreed. The articulation is flawless. Let's approve it.
These advanced prosthetics, built right here in the USA, retail for around $5,000, making them accessible to those who need them most.
Confirmed calibration is within tolerance.
Excellent work. Approved for release.
Lot 42, prosthetic hand, serial number 789. Transferring to packaging.
Received. Checking integrity. Checklist confirms everything is secured.
Good, good. Let's seal it up.
Excellent work, team.
This pallet is ready for the afternoon shipment to Dallas.
Copy that, I'll load it right away.
Inside the factory, custom foam packaging is prepared to protect each $5,000 prosthetic hand.
The final step is ensuring the prosthetic is securely packaged before it is shipped to the recipient.
All paperwork is complete for the New York shipment.
And the tracking shows it arriving tomorrow. Let's seal it up.
Here's the shipment for Dallas. Go ahead and sign on the tablet.
All right, thanks. Looks good.
Delivery for the prosthetics department. If you could just sign here.
Absolutely. Thank you. We appreciate it.
Okay, now try to close your hands slowly. Just visualize the movement.
It's working. Oh, wow. Does that calibration feel right?
Yes, the grip is strong and the fit is very comfortable. Thank you.
That feels really secure.
It looks great. You're doing very well.
Okay, try to grip the next one firmly and place it slowly into the top row.
That's it. Excellent control.
Try gripping it firmly now. That's it. Perfect control.
It feels completely natural.
Look at the articulation on this one. It's flawless.
It really is. It's going to change someone's life.
That's what we come here for.
From the precision of the factory floor to the joy of a sunny afternoon, the journey concludes with a return to everyday life.